Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here benzene is given and you are reacting with alpha beta unsaturated compound which is ester, and you are using the Lewis acid which is aluminum chloride. You have to find what will be the final product. You have to find the chemoselectivity here. This reaction is interesting because of its selectivity. The first step is AlCl3 attack the carbonyl, make it as active, so you have cation formation. Since it is in the conjugation, two types of the cation possible, but the first cation formed here is quenched by the electron donating ability of O-methyl group. So methoxy group reduce the positive charge. So second one is much more available cation. So the cation attacks, you have final product. Then it converts into aromatic compound. So the final product is carbon-carbon bond formation, gamma carbon. So the concept you have to learn here is, for the nucleophilic reaction, the positive charge should be on high density, should not be quenched by any electron donating group. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.